Hello children, today I have come with a new video for class 9 and the chapter's name is logarithm. Now, I have one small definition of logarithm here. Suppose there are three numbers and the numbers are a, x and n. And suppose they are related this way. Suppose a to the power x equal to n. That means x has become the power of a and is equal to n, and then for such expression we have to use logarithm, and if we use logarithm then the expression becomes x equal to log n base a. That means the power x comes here and we have to apply log on n and a becomes the base, and if we interchange then we can write log n base a equal to x. So this is small definition of logarithm. Now from this particular definition we have one formula now. Formula number 1 is, if log n and base is a and is equal to x, then we can say a to the power x equal to n. Very important formula children. This formula is very important. Sometime in the examination there are questions being asked regarding this formula, so we have to understand. Once again I want to repeat, if the question is, or if the formula is log n base a equal to x, then we can say a, this base a to the power x equal to n, and the logarithm, the log vanishes. Suppose for one example I have here, if log a and base 5 is equal to 3, then find the value of a. Then according to this formula we can say this 5 becomes, the 5 comes here and power, the 3 becomes the power of 5, that means 5 power 3. Like how a power x, similarly 5 power 3 equal to a, like equal to n. So same formula I have used here, and then since they are asking us to find the value of a, so I can interchange and I can write a equal to 5 power 3, and 5 power 3 is 125. That means 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So finally a equal to 125. So how I use this formula here and I got the value of a. Very important. Now number 2 formula, log a, let the base be anything. Here base is a, but let the base be 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Log 1 is always 0. And number 3 formula, log a and base also is a, then is equal to 1. That means, for example, if log 5 base also is 5, then is equal to 1, just like a and base a. So here also log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. So I am showing some example regarding this formula, like when it is 1. And now one more very important formula. Suppose there is log m and power is n and base is a, then the rule of logarithm is the power comes at the front. That means the power comes at the front means the answer will be n log m base a. That means everything is same, only power comes at the first. Very important formula. Now I will show you some more examples, very important examples. Now example 1, find the value of logarithm, and the question is log 1000 base 10. Now how to find the value? Now what I did, 10 to the power 3, 10 cube is equal to 1000. So I wrote 1000 in the form of 10 cube, and just now I have discussed that whenever there is power at the top, it can come at the front. So this power 3 came at the front, and then we have log 10 base 10. And few moments ago I said when log 10 and base also is 10, it is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Example number 1. Now example 2, find the value of x, and the question is log 216 base x equal to 3. And you know formula number 1, that this x goes here and 3 becomes the power of x. So x cube equal to 216, and log vanishes. This is formula number 1 which I had discussed in the last page. Now they have asked us to find the value of x, but we have cube here. So when we remove cube here, here we get cube root, and the cube root of 216 here I have done. Finally the answer is 6. How to do? We do a factorization of 216, and the result is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. And what happens in cube root? Out of 3 numbers we take only one number. Out of 3 numbers we take only one number. So 1 2 and 1 3 comes. So 2 3s are 6. So x equal to 6. So now I have shown you example 1 and example 2. Now few questions I have given you as a homework. Please do this, children. Like for every question there are answers, and here in the these all questions are first 1 2 3 4 5 6. These questions are all similar to example 1, and the second part 1 2 3 4 questions are similar to example 2. And for any difficulty I have given hint in every question. So these are very easy questions, children. You try. Thank you, children.